For example, I needed to bend the length which equal of 100. I have to take this measurement. Let's say, for example, to weight. So I have to mark this 20. Or this is 30. And then I have to look the center of this 30. It is 15. So when I'm going to bend, I have to look the center of the former. The center of this former should be where I have to fix this center of the pipe. You have to look the center of the former, it is this. And the center of this length also it is where I have marking. I put my former. And the pipe size it is, I adjust the former according to the diameter. And then I push up and down the reamer, and then I have see whether, so it is going far. I have to release small, now that I see, I fix the pipe. I have to check the center. It is on the center of that. So I push, checking the center. So now the pipe is well fixed. So now I'm going to start pushing up and down this pump, making sure that the valve is well closed. It is using the oil. Here it is oil pass through, pushing that reamer. I push up and down until the edge of the pipe, one edge will touch to the edge of the former and the other touch to the other side. So I'm going to bend this on right angle. So it is right angle when this pipe touching to this deformer and the other edge touching to that. Already right angle is there. have to check. I have to check whether I have to check whether the edge are touching. To remain some. So now when it reaches on the area you want, so I have to remove the pipe. To remove the pipe, of course, I have to open this valve and the oil back on this pump. So now I'm going to remove my pipe. So to remove it, of course, I have to open this valve. So now I can remove my pipe. You see, for this pipe connection, your flow comes here, other pass here, other continue to this side. You see this hydraulic bending machine, of course, is used to bend the pipe where there is big radius. So as you want here, you can connect the other type of these fittings. So this is the way you can joining the melted steel pipe or galvanized steel pipe. So now we are going to look how you can join the PPR pipe or plastic pipe. So for joining this plastic pipe, of course, you have to use this PPR welding machine. This PPR welding machine has different adapter according to the diameters. Adapter have a different adapters here. You see, those are the adapter. So we have a different size of the adapter here. So according to the shape you need to connect or the diameter, so you have to take one and then you join your plastic pipe. As I wanted to join the 3/4, I have to look the adapter of 3/4. This is it is a half, so I have to look. This is it is a 3/4 adapter. So I have to take it on a machine. So this is Allen key which allow to remove this end, connecting them on. Now I can tighten this. Now I am tightening my adapter on fusion welding machine. So this is, as I said, this is the 3/4 adapter. If I need the big one, I can remove this, connect the bigger. So this PPR welding machine also has the part. As I said, this is adapter. This is heating element. This is control of heat. This is switch. This is seat. So I have to connect on the power. And then switch on. It has 2 switches, which is distributing heat on this area, another on this side. That is why you have to switch on both. So, and then you wait around 1 minute in order that this heating element getting the heat. And I can adjust by using this control of heat. So I have to wait in order that the heating reach on this adapter, which means that there is heat transfer, which transferred on this metal, and this metal transfer heat on this former or adapter. So as well as I'm waiting, so I have to prepare the materials I have to join. So I'm going to use this T and some length of this plastic pipe. I can measure the length I have to. I could take, for example, this is too small length. Let mark, for example, this 10. So I'm going to cut this length of 10 centimeters by using this pipe cutter. So, but I have to remove this, because this cutter has their own anvil where you can hold the pipe and then you start cutting.